Here we have an AKTA Explorer. It comes with a Frac 950 fraction collector, and we have a 30mm tube rack. And you can see here the accumulator is in great shape. There's also a computer with Unicorn version 5.31 software installed. This is all connected as a system right now. The Explorer itself has the Box 900, the PH 900, the UV 900, with a lamp runtime of a little over 1,900 hours. The expected life is over 4,000 hours, so that's in pretty good shape. And here we have the P900. On this side, there's the CU 950, which connects the unit itself and the fraction collector to the computer. Down here, we have the pump heads and the Air 925N bubble detector. We have the UV vis flow cell and the conductivity flow cell in here. Up here is the AD900 analog to digital converter, and there is the M925 mixing valve, as well as the P960 sample pump. And up here there's valves 1 through 7. On this side you can see valves 1 through 5, as well as the pH flow cell with the pH probe inside. Going back in here, we have valve 6 in the back for selecting the buffer, and valve 7 up here. All the valves are tested and working great. Next, I'm going to start a program to show you how this unit works. So, when I hit start, it takes a little bit for the computer to load and pass on the instructions, and then the P900 should turn on. It's going to pump buffer from here out into the waste container to clear the system. It's currently set to pump at 5 ml per minute, and you can see that it's pretty low pressure since there's no column to flow through. In the next step, the P960 sample pump loads the sample tube. It takes sample from here, which is DI water again, pulls it through here, and loads the sample loop. The excess sample that is pulled through is being outputted into this syringe to show that this pump is functioning well. And finally, the fraction collector collects the sample and buffer as it flows through. First, it lets a little bit of the sample and buffer drip through to dispose of waste, and then it begins to collect fractions. As you can see, it's working very well. And here, going into the computer, we can see that the UV and pH and the conductivity measurements as well. Finally, here we have the final report. It shows important information